Overlap ah.
Hindi, man. After college, you know.
After college.
After college. Kasi ang gusto niya talaga si Efren Cabresa eh. They've been together.
Dami minisa, no?
Ako ayaw ko magsalita pa. Kasi may sisiyat.
Parang naka-video
na ako.
Hindi, okay lang.
This si Efren talaga, ano niya. Tapos eventually when we finished college, you know, I saw her in Metrobank. Kasi, awa ko, basta.
Sisiyat muna ako, pare.
Marami sila na, kumidisa.
Yeah, we've been together like nearly 3 or 4 years.
Di ba girlfriend mo yun?
Yeah, she was.
Then what happened?
What happened? Ayoko, naka-live.
Oh.
You know, it's not meant for us, you know. Na.
Really?
Did you have sex?
I'll be honest with you. We did.
No. Yeah.
He's not asking for honesty.
No.
He wants an answer.
Thank you.
Yeah, just an answer.
And she sang, "Break it to me gently if you have to."
Boom. Parang like that.
And you know what? And she sang, "Dito ba? Oh, dito ba?" May mga version na.
Ano mo? It's like...
Repeat. Member ka ba? Wala na ako dito.
Meron ako.
Dito, high five sa
Sarito eh.
Akin ba to? Hindi yata akin to. Si ano yata to?
You know,
Si...
Walang talkies.
Si ano hindi na umiinom si
hindi,
Robert.
pero
Kaya na to.
I didn't have,
Jerry.
Melissa never, I didn't have any dull moments.
Sarap pare. Sarap to. Ito yung yun pa yun.
You know, that's done, you know, in high school. But after college, after we finished college, you know, we had so much fun, you know. I thought we end up being
Like
together.
what kind of fun?
Para dalawa na yung viewers.
Did you guys have sex?
Ano?
Next
You
question.
weren't listening! You weren't listening! They did!
Dalawa na yung viewers.
Ayoko na. And to be fair,
Wala, hindi makita.
Si Ronnie may camera, I don't like it.
listen, Ronnie, alam ko sino gusto niya eh.
Sino?
Ha?
Sino?
Pineda.
What ka pa? Who's that?
De, alam mo si Ron, naging classmate ko siya third year, you know? He was so timid. Okay, pag classmate tayo third year, tahimik to. He won't even open his mouth, you know? But then, somebody, hindi, but somebody told me, I think it was Arlan, sabi ko, ba't si Ron nagtitikol doon?
He doesn't bother me, but
Jeff, sabi nga rin